If your font is not showing up in CapCut, don't worry. This is usually a quick fix, and in this video, I'm going to walk you through the exact steps to get your custom fonts showing again. Whether you're editing on Windows and the font just refuses to appear, or CapCut seems to be hiding it for no reason, these methods usually solve the issue fast. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy CapCut fixes and editing tips. Let's get into it. First, the most important step is to install the font correctly for Windows. A lot of the time, CapCut won't detect a font if it was installed in a way that doesn't fully register it for all apps, so close CapCut completely before doing anything else. Make sure it is fully shut down and not running in the background. Then, locate your downloaded font file. This will usually be a TTF file or an .otf file. Once you find it, right-click on the font file. If you see the option, choose Install for all users. This is the best option because it makes the font available system-wide instead of just for your user profile. That helps third-party apps like CapCut recognize it properly. After installing it, give Windows a moment to register the font before moving on. Next, open CapCut and check the font filters. CapCut sometimes has built-in font filtering options that can hide certain fonts from view even when they are installed correctly on your computer. Start a new project or open an existing one, then go to the Text tab and add a text box to your timeline. On the right side panel, look for the font drop-down menu. Open that list and check whether the commercial use filter is turned on. If it is, uncheck it. This filter can limit the fonts that appear, so turning it off may immediately reveal the font you were looking for. After changing the filter, scroll through the list again and see if your font appears. In many cases, this step alone fixes the issue. If the font still does not show up after installing it properly and clearing the filters, the next step is to refresh CapCut completely. Sometimes CapCut needs a full restart to reload your Windows font folder and detect newly installed fonts. Before closing, save your current project so you don't lose any work. Then exit CapCut entirely. Don't just minimize it. Make sure the app is fully closed. After that, open Task Manager by pressing Ctrl, Shift, and ESC on your keyboard. In Task Manager, look for any CapCut background processes that may still be running. If you see them, end those tasks so CapCut can fully reset. Once everything is closed, relaunch CapCut and go back to your text tool. Open the font drop-down again and check whether your newly installed font appears now. If the font is still missing after all of that, you may also want to double-check that the font file itself is not corrupted and that it is a supported format like .ttf or .otf. But in most cases, the combination of installing for all users, clearing the commercial use filter, and restarting CapCut will solve the problem. So to quickly recap, first, install the font for all users. Second, clear the font filters inside CapCut. And third, fully restart CapCut so it can reload your fonts properly. These 3 steps fix the most common reasons a font is not showing up in CapCut on Windows. If this video helped, please hit the like button and subscribe for more CapCut tutorials, editing fixes, and beginner-friendly tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.